Welcome to Michael Hine YouTube channel.
Hello and welcome to Behind the Boot. We hope you're having a great day wherever you are. This is Boots and this is my grandpa, Bob. And I'm learning how to play ukulele and I'm not that good yet, but we've been having a little bit of a holiday sing-song and we're gonna play you a song. Right, Grandpa?
Absolutely.
Yeah, this is our debut performance.
Oh,
It's an oldie, but a goodie. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me... I'm not very good at finding the first sound. Okay, we got it.
Oh dear.
Okay, we got this. Let me call you sweetheart. I'm in love with you. Let me hear you whisper that you love me too.
Hey everybody, welcome to Behind the Boot. We're hoping to have a great day wherever you are. We just finished 2 shows here in Winnipeg and we're backstage here in our dressing room. And look who else is here. Charlie!
And Boots.
And Boots is there too.
Hi guys. We had so much fun in Winnipeg. It was raining, but people came in their rain gear and they were awesome.
Charlie doesn't mind the rain, do you, Charlie?
No. Charlie likes the rain.
Guys, thanks so much and
we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye! Bye!
Hello and welcome to Behind the Boot. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are. I'm here at Winterlude with Charlie, and Charlie is looking at the ice sculptures. What do you think, Charlie? So we are headed to our show now, so we'll see you there. Bye everyone. Hello everybody and welcome to Behind the Boot. We are here.
Hi!
With... That's okay. You got me. That's okay.
Oh boy.
That was like a high five, like foot to elbow high five, right?
Yeah.
And high five. Oh. And we are filming today, and this is Kayla. Can you wave, Kayla? Oh, and we like to blow kisses too.
Mwah, mwah, mwah.
So we're really excited for you to see the new filming things that we're working on. So coming soon. All right. See you soon. Bye, everyone.
Bye!
Bye.
Bye!
Thanks for watching. Bye.